Hi, welcome to progeCAD Malaysia. During the installation of progeCAD, you are actually asked to install a set of libraries or ready-made product libraries that are freely for use. There are 3 to 4 different sets of libraries that you can freely use. First are the default progeCAD libraries that are installed together during installation. The others you are required to download on request. The others mainly trace parts, CAD and BMI Manco. Some of these libraries are available in 2D or 3D model. And if you are wondering where to access these libraries, let me show you how to access them. We go under menu and then click on Insert, and then you should see iCAD Library Blocks Manager. Click on this, and then a list of libraries will pop up in the dialog box. Those that installed together with progeCAD would be listed in the dialog box. If you couldn't find this, you may have to reinstall a progeCAD just to install the 20,000 blocks of libraries. You can browse around and have a look at what other libraries available. Say now I browse into Architectural 2D, I go under Car for Plans. I see various types of models available for insert. So let's choose one and insert. Double click on the item and click anywhere on the layout. Close this and you should see the car has been inserted into your drawing. You can explore all the other items that is available in these libraries, and if it's useful to you, you can just insert them. You do not have to reproduce or redraw any of the items. Now then, if you are using trace parts, you click on the trace part library and then they will ask you to actually download on request. For my case, it's just a demo. I'm not going to download this. Same goes to CAD library. You can actually download them. If not, just leave it as this. And then if you want to see what are the libraries or items available in trace parts, CAD or even the BMI Manco, you can actually click on this 3 little icon. Click on trace parts. Their website will pop up with content library or design library that you can actually download. All the available libraries will be freely downloadable from this website. Next is we go to CAD. We click on the CAD icon. It will bring you to progeCADpartcommunity.com. These are some of the companies with their parts or 3D models. You can actually download from them as well. Next up will be the BMI Manco. We click on the BMI Manco icon. You bring up the web portal as well. And whichever item that is available for download, you can actually download them from here. Or in 3D form, and you have to download via their website. It will not be automatically downloaded into progeCAD folders. Now I hope that you are able to find and access the default libraries installed during the installation, and I hope that it actually help you in your production as well. Thank you for watching and goodbye.